Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and today I'm bringing you an ultimate clean with me motivation. I am cleaning up my main floor. This is after yesterday's deep clean. The day before I did some deep cleaning. This is what my house looks the next day. Sometimes I just can't win. I went grocery shopping, so I got groceries to put away and clean up after lunch, clean up the family room from last night, and just have to run the vacuum cleaner again because my dog is shedding so much. I can literally make another golden out of the hair that he's leaving behind. So I thought I'd share this process with you, so come along. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my cleaning videos. I post cleaning videos every Monday, and I also post kitchen videos every Friday. And if you like DIY videos, I do those as well. So I'm sure you can find something that you like on my channel, and I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. So without further ado, come along and clean with me. And if you are on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you check me out there as well. I am on Instagram. I do stories that are beyond cooking, cleaning, and DIYs. I do most daily things. So if you like to see what I'm up to every day, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And I also have a Facebook page that I'm trying to grow. So if you have a Facebook, I would love for you to join me there as well. also went thrifting in the morning and I picked up this apple basket. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it. So just before I finish all my vacuuming, right after I finish all my vacuuming, I have harvested some of my herbs that I actually had a video on how to start an herb garden inside and how I transferred it outside and all that stuff. Well, it's time to harvest it now. Some of the plants I didn't get to use while cooking. Well, I got to use them, but just not all of them because I had plenty. So I wanted to harvest them, cut them up, and put them in a freezer for future use. I am also trying to dry my own lavender because I have lots of lavender plants in the backyard, and I did some research on how to do this because I love how it looks in a vase as a part of a decor. So I thought, well, why not try doing it myself and see if it works out. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just removing all the leaves off the flower and tying it up, and then I need to hang it up in a dark place for some time until they dry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.